Now that's a freaking storm. Woo! Ah, man. This isn't really capturing how much rain is coming down. Jesus Christ.